A Facebook page is a great way for you to communicate with existing students and be found by new students. It's an opportunity for you to get your message out there. I am open for business. Although Facebook has certainly seen better days in terms of popularity, it's still where the audience is, so it makes sense to promote yourself where people are already looking. If you're teaching kids, for example, more than 7 out of 10 parents are on Facebook. When it comes to actually running your Facebook page, you'll need to carefully consider and plan the content you'll be sharing, but that's a topic for another video. Right now, we're aiming towards just one of the most basic functions a Facebook page can fulfill for you, simply a brochure with some info about your classes and how to contact you. So, how do I do it? Well, you're going to want to log into your Facebook account and then click on Pages on the menu on the left-hand side here. Next, click on Create New Page. You'll be brought to this screen where you can fill in your school or business name and choose a category. In this case, I chose both school and education website. Then you should add a short description. It doesn't have to be too long, short and sweet is often better, but think about getting across the key points. Who are you? What subjects do you teach? What can students get from your classes? So do you have a specialization? Do you have any experience or qualifications that sets you apart from the crowd? Then click on Create Page. Now your page is almost good to go. On this screen, you can add a profile picture and a cover image. I'm going to use existing images I had for the Get More Students Facebook page here. I'll include ideal dimensions for both profile pic and the cover in the video description, so you can create your own if you don't have them already. When you've uploaded your images, you just hit save. Now I can see the live version of my page here for the first time, but there's still a few things we need to do. First of all, let's add a call to action by clicking Add a Button, just under the cover image on the right hand side here. A call to action button is a great little shortcut to effectively drive traffic from your Facebook page to your school website. You can choose from a number of different options. In this example, I want students to sign up, so I'll choose sign up and the web address I want people to be directed to. Now I want to flesh out my page's about information. On the left hand side here, I can see the page management menu, so let's scroll all the way down and select Edit Page Info. Now I can fill in some more details such as my website, contact info, opening hours and location if that applies to you. And don't forget, on the very bottom of the page you can add links to your other social channels such as Instagram, YouTube and so on. Next up, I want to do a bit of housekeeping. So you can see when I added the profile picture and the cover image, it automatically added some posts, but I don't think that's really useful content for my followers and it looks kind of messy. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Hide Post to get rid of those. Finally, you can add your first real post. I'm just going to write hello world for now, but you might add a welcome message or a little bio about yourself, just something to welcome new members to your page. As I said, it's important to think carefully about the content you want to provide, but that's a story for another day. For now, I'm happy to have just a simple brochure page sitting here with my contact info, which can add trust and legitimacy. And if a student does look for me on Facebook, they'll be able to find everything they need to get in touch and sign up. Have you created a Facebook page for your school or tutoring business? If so, I would love to hear about it, so please let me know in the comments. If you're a teacher or tutor looking to expand your business, then Get More Students is the perfect community for you. We've got plenty of advice and resources for marketing your classes. You can connect with like-minded edupreneurs, and importantly, it's totally free to join. So sign up today at www.getmorestudents.org. Happy teaching!